Good morning, students. This is Manoj sir. Welcome back in KPS Gamaria YouTube channel. Students, in the previous video, we have solved some question from exercise number 2.2, and here again I am with this another question of this chapter, question number 27. Okay, 27 of your book, exercise number 2.2. So the question is: a sum of money is invested at CI, compound interest payable annually. The interest in two successive years is 225 and 240. So find the three things. First, the rate of interest. Second, the original sum, that means principal. And third, the interest earned in third year. So we need to find three things. So first, you just see what we are given here. We are given what? These two interest is given for two successive year. This is for the first year, this is for the second year. Fine. So and nothing is given, no sums, no amount, no rate of interest, nothing is given. So in this type of question, you have to assume this one as a principal and this one is as a amount, because these two are the two successive interest. So the first one will be the principal, and second one you will assume as a what? As an amount to get the rate of interest. So a rate of interest, okay, a rate of interest, finding rate of interest, just you write the formula: amount equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now amount, this one 240 equals to 225 is a principal. Just you assume this one as a principal. 1 plus R is not given, and time is for 1 year, because this is two successive interest. Fine. So only 1 year. Now 240 by 225 equals to 1 plus R by 100. Okay, 240 by 225, you bring this side, minus 1 equals to R by 100. Now you just calculate 240 minus 225 by 225 equals to R by 100. Okay students, subtract it, you'll get 15 by 225 equals to R by 100. Okay, now therefore R equals to 15 into 100 divided by 225. Fine. Now what to do? Just you calculate, you will get like this: 5 3 15 and 5 45 ja, then 3 5 ja, 3 15 ja. Okay, so now it's again you subtract, divide. It's a 5 3 15 and 5 20. So therefore finally the rate of interest will be 20 by 3% per annum, or you write 6 whole 2 by 3% per annum. This is the first question, first sub part, that is rate of interest. Next is original sum. Now the second part is the original sum, that is principal. So for finding principal, just you write this formula: principal equals to SI. We'll use the SI formula: SI into 100 divided by R into T. Okay, now what was, see SI, see this one 225, again I'm telling you this is the interest for the first year. So compound interest and simple interest for the first year remains same. So either you can use by compound formula, or you can use what, simple interest formula to find out the principal for 1 year. So here I have taken simple interest formula. So SI is 225 and into 100 divided by R, that we have got it at what, 20 by what we got, 20 by 3, or into time is for 1 year. Now you calculate, you shift this side: 225 into 100 into 3 divided by 20. You cancel it, 25 is a, now you multiply 225 into 5 3 is 15. Finally you will receive amount, that is 3375. This become the principal, or you can say the original sum of original sum. Okay, so this is the second part. Now the third part is what? Third part we will calculate here. Now first we will calculate the amount for amount after 3 years. Okay, so amount formula A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So amount, now principal, the original one, this is 3375, 1 plus R, you got it now, 20 by 3 into 100 to the power 3. You first calculate 3375 into, cancel it, 25 5 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 15 to the power 3, or 3375 into 16 by 15 into 16 by 15 into 16 by 15, cancel all these, then you multiply 16 to 16 to 16, you will get rupees 4096. This is the amount which you received after 3 years. For compound interest, final amount minus original principal. Okay, so final amount is rupees 4096 minus original principal 3375. You subtract, what will get? You will get here rupees 721. This is the total compound interest. But the question is what? Find the interest earned in third year, only in third year. Okay, so what we will do to earn the interest only for third year, third part, interest in third year only. Okay, third year, what we will do, we will just subtract these two interest, first year interest and interest of second year, from the entire interest. So 721 minus what? Minus, we will write 225 minus 240. When you subtract these two, you will get rupees 256. So this is what? This is the interest earned in only third year. Okay student, so this is what the question is. Now I think you all have understood this question. In the next class we will start the next chapter. Till now, practice at home, because very soon you are going to write your PT examination. So practice all the PT chapters. Okay students, so stay at home, be safe. Thank you students.